SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from solveyourtech.com will instruct you on how to show contact photos in the Messages app on an iPhone 13. When you open the Messages app on your iPhone, you might just see a list of names and numbers for your text conversations. But if you've set photos for some of your contacts, you can choose to show them next to the conversations as well. So let's jump into our video about how to show contact photos and messages on an iPhone 13. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. If you want to show contact photos in the Messages app on your iPhone 13, then you just need to adjust an option in the Settings menu. So start by tapping the Settings app icon, scroll down and select the Messages option, then scroll down and tap the button to the right of Show Contact Photos to turn it on. Now you can go open the Messages app and you should see any contact photos that you have added to the left of the conversation that you're having with that person. If you haven't added a contact photo for someone, then you'll just see their initials instead. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.